So here we are with my replica mirror handcuffs, and they're locked at the moment. And there's the key and there's the keyhole. The key goes in and it's under spring tension, and you push in and you turn it 6 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times and 6 times, and the handcuffs are now open. When they're locked, that just goes into that hole there. There's no latching, it doesn't click latched, it is just a lock position. So you put the key back in again now and you turn it the other way. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5 and one more time, 6 times, and now the mirror cuffs are now locked again.